Now, do you want to go wee-wee?
I might have lost use of my legs, but there's no wrong with my brain.
Well, I cut off in my prime, me. I've still got my legs, but they're about as much use as a pair of ham shanks.
Oh dear. How are you?
Did you sleep with Philpot?
Oh, Christ. It's years ago, it's gone.
Did you?
Yes, of course I did.
You said that you hadn't.
I lied, so what? What do you expect me to do?
Here in this house?
I don't remember. Yes.
Often?
As often as we could. Look, what's the point? What the hell does it matter?
And what about all the others?
What others?
The others?
There weren't any others.
How many?
Oh, half a dozen, I don't know. What does a number even matter?
When you were away, or when you were here?
When I was away, is that what you want to hear?
I want to hear the truth.
When I was away. You live in a dream world, don't you?
Why did you marry me?
You know why.
What do you think about marriage?
Gosh. That was a bit awkward, wasn't it?
I'm sorry?
The meeting, it was a bit tense, I felt. I hope everyone's all right.
I don't think he was anything to worry about.
Well, look, I agree that these changes that we're making are important and indeed necessary, but I wouldn't like anyone to feel that their nose was being put out of joint.
Of course, I realise. Inheriting an antiquated staff is bound to have its problems. And to be quite honest with you, they've just got to get with it.
Look, I realise some of the staff have been here a very long time, but that doesn't mean they're not receptive to change. I just feel that everyone needs a little bit of support sometimes. Perhaps a word of encouragement in George's ear?
Absolutely. And if you could assure him whilst you're at it, that my door's always open should he need to come and speak to me.
Fine. What did you say when he asked you?
He didn't ask me.
Why not?
I don't know.
I'll tell you why not. It's because you're a woman, that's why not.
Do you think so?
Too right. They don't want women working up there. They've got a handful of Muslims working here, and they prioritise them. And you know how they treat their women. Hems down to the floor, little eyes peeping out, and they have to walk 2 steps behind. It'll be bad enough getting white blokes to take orders from a woman, never mind that lot.
So you think it's because I'm a woman?
Absolutely. And I'll tell you something else. They don't like dealing with women's problems. Do you remember when I was pregnant with our Charlotte?
Yeah.
I was shaking going up them stairs to tell him. I thought, no one's going to speak to me for 3 weeks. And I was right. I'm not kidding. That's why we need someone like you up there. So get up them stairs and get it sorted out.
You're right, you know. I'm going to go and do it now.
You do that. And when you've finished, come back and tell me what went on.